Hello everyone. Many of you asked us how we can combine two-factor authentication in Janssen. So this demo is actually showing us how we can enable various two-factor authentication in Janssen server, and then we'll give the flexibility to our user to manage their own two-factor authentication with Gluu Casa. So Janssen has CLI or command line interface. So whatever two factors management you are seeing here in this demo are actually from Gluu Casa side. Anyways, so what is the target? The target is to enable a couple of two factors here in Janssen and then allow users to manage their own two factors authentication with Casa. All right. Okay, so this is our documentation. As you can see, there is CLI and there is TUI. TUI is text-based user interface. A little bit more interactive than CLI, but both works fine. Janssen has a user interface which is called Flex UI, which you call licensing. Anyways, so as this is for the community, so I'm going with the TUI or text-based user interface. So basically, for this demo, we're going to enable three type of two factors. The first one is Superglue, which is our own mobile software. Then the OTP will use Google Authenticator to use that. And the third one is FIDO, the hardware token. All right. So let's start. As you can see, I'm inside Janssen server. And now I'll go to the TUI. See, these things, how you can go or start TUI is available in our documentation. As you can see, it's here. We're trying to populate as much data as possible on daily basis in our documentation. So your feedback is most welcome. All right, so let's start the TUI. I need an access token to use the TUI as well. Okay, let me show you when you will first use the TUI, what you might get. Okay, now to get the access token, we have to open a browser and then okay, we're going to log in here. All right, it's good. Okay, now let's go to the clients. Do you have any clients here? Okay, we don't need to do anything here. We need to go to the scripts. So first, we'll enable Superglue. Oops. Okay, let's see what's there. OTP. OTP is here. And I guess it's actually super underscore glue. Yeah, exactly. So we're going to enable this stuff. I'm making it a little bigger so it'll be easier for you to see. Okay, so just enable it. And save. It's saved. Then we're going to enable the OTP. Same. If you want to modify the custom scripts there, which are available in our scripts, then you can hit enter, edit scripts, and you can do your customization here. For demo purpose, we're just using the default scripts which are available with the Janssen installation. And then FIDO, FIDO 2. Okay, let's enable it. All right, so 3 scripts are enabled from Janssen server, from the core of the whole vehicle. Now we need to log into Casa. All right, so let's do it. Okay. Okay, before that, we need to enable something in Casa, the administrative privilege. So as you can see, like there is no authentication mechanism available yet to manage your 2-factor authentication in Casa. So to enable that privilege, we have to enable it from our Janssen server. How? Here's how. So these are the installation and so on. Let's check this one. So after doing this, we'll be able to see a lot of management consoles and a lot of features there, buttons there, with which you can manage or administrate 2-factor authentication, which will help your user to self-register or self-manage, or they can also delete or change their authentication or 2-factor authentication by themselves. So here, to do that, we need to go to the Janssen server, and one moment. Let me get out from here. Exit Janssen server, and then go to Casa, JT Casa, and just touch administrable, and then just log out and re-log in. So remember, we enabled three 2-factor authentication there in Janssen server: Superglue, OTP, and the FIDO. Here, see the administration console is available now. Let's go there and then enable authentication methods. So as you can see, these 3 scripts are available for you to help your user using this thing. So we're going to enable this SER or 2-factor authentication, which normal user will be able to see as well. Okay, so they're enabled, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to log in as normal user. All right, say I'm some random user from your organizations, and you gave me the chance to manage my own two-factor authentication by myself. All right, so let's do it. I'm not sure this user is available there. Let's see. Okay, so this user is available. All right. So I guess Mohib Zico is also an administrator. So that's why the administration console is available for this user. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a sample user, just normal user here, and we'll then try to log into Casa with that user credential to see like how the Casa self-management portal looks like for that user. So let's go to users and then add user, tester one, 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 one. So user created, and now I'm going to log in as tester one in Casa Pro portal. Oops, my mistake. It's Janssen, not Flex. Yeah, see the difference? There is no administrative privilege for this user. Okay, so here I can manage my security keys, software token, hardware token, which are available, which were actually made available to me by my administrator. All right, and that's it. That's how we can do that. Thanks, everyone. If you have any question or confusion, you know where to find us. If you don't know, this is our discussion group, github.com/Janssen project/Jans/discussions. Thank you, everyone.